Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth, no, not the fourth, the second Sudoku, and it's a four-star Sudoku in today's newspaper of Wednesday, February the 24th, 2021. In this additional, we will continue with the Four Stars Sudoku, and this will be number 2, 3, 7, 6. All right. And as mentioned before earlier, 24 printed digits. So let's get started. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. You see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only three places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, we see there 9, so no 9s in those two boxes. One box left for the 9, should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. And digit number 1, number 9. Let me see. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then 6, 9, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 2, the 4, and the 5. And look, we have a 2 and a 5 there. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and a 5 goes in those two boxes. So one box left in this column for the number 4. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So on the row below, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, only place for the 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. Yeah. Yeah. Because now there are 4. The 4 should be one of these two. Okay. Yeah. This row, not this row, but not this column, but this row, the third row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 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 The only place for the 4 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left. 6 and the 7 are missing. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in this big box. So the 6 goes there, and the 7 goes here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2, 5, 3. Alright. You have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, we see there 2, so no 2s in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 8, 8. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 1. We have an 8 and a 1 in the last row, so no 8 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. The 8 and a 1 goes in these 2 boxes. So the other 2 boxes in this big square should be the number 7 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And then 5 and 2. 2 numbers left in the last row. Those numbers are the 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5 are missing in the last row. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Yes. 2 and a 5. Alright. So we have a 5 here. That means in this big square, I need a 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. We have a 5 here, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 5 because we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 2. And this should be a 5. Alright. 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7. Yes, one of the missing number in this big square is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 6. Then 6, 6, 6, 6. Alright. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Alright. 2, 5, 8, 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5. 3, 5. 3, 5. 7. Okay, 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 3 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7. In the middle column, we see here 3 and a 7 here. So no 3 and a 7 in this box. The 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 box left in the middle column for the number 5. Alright. So we have a 5 in this column. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 8 and 1, 8 and 1, okay. 5, 1 and 3. 5, 5. 2, 2, 2. Yeah, 2, 2. How about the 4? 4, 4. 4, 4. Okay. Not the solution. Let me think. 1, 5, 3. About the 8. 8, 8. 8, 8. 8, 1 and 4. Yeah, I'm thinking. One, 3, 5, and 7. Yes, we have a pair. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 7. We have a 3 and a 7 in this column, so no 3 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. So the other pair in this big square should be the 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5, but we have a 1 in this row. In those 2 boxes, 1 and an 8. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here. We have 2 and a 5. This box cannot be 5 anymore. This box should be the 5, and this should be a 2. Alright. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then 7, 3, 8. Yes, we have an 8 in the last row. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8. Alright. 2 boxes left. In the third row, the 8 and the 1. 8 and 1. 8 and a 1. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those. 2 boxes left, a 7 and a 3. In this row, we have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column. So the column between, only place for the 7 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 box left in the second column for the number 3 is missing, yes. 5 and 1 are left in this big square. 5 and 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in the third column for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here. This box cannot be 1 anymore. This box should be the 1 and this should be a 4. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. 8 and 4. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes here. Finish in 60 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this 4 Stars Sudoku. It's not really a 4 stars, but I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last 2 Sudokus or puzzles. It's a tectonic one and a binary one. So see you later. Bye bye for now.